What's up, guys? Lucas here, back in the video. Today we're gonna be doing an RC car type of NASCAR looking track that we tried to make with stuff we could. We have that rose gold, just ignore that. It's like a little girl, but whatever. But so yeah, we tried to make it's kind of hard to get the camera to see it, but yeah, we're trying to make like a little NASCAR thing. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna have two cars going against each other. And yeah, this is a part 2. This is going to be the sequel to the first one we did about 2 years ago. Something like that. Go check that video out first and then come back and check this one out.
If you haven't seen the other one.
Yeah, if you haven't seen the first one, go ahead and watch that and then come back and watch this one. But yeah, so pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to have two cars racing around like a NASCAR. We're going to have 5 laps. It's going to be best 2 out of 3. If we hit 3 likes on this video, we'll do a part 3. And we'll have a different car that we'll show in a minute. We might give you, if you stay and watch till the end, we might show you a sneak peek of the cars that are going to be racing next time. And it kind of depends on who wins this race. Will be facing another car. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you the cars. First, we have the Cop Car 2016 Camaro. So yeah, that's a pretty cool car. I'm going to be dropping that. And then it's going to be going up against the Lamborghini Reventon, I think it is. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. But yeah, those are the 2 cars facing. So we're gonna go ahead and set up the camera and we're gonna get racing. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Alright. I think that's good. Right there. Alright. So here we go.
Are you sure that's the right remote?
That's not. That's it. Car. He's bunking. Maybe it wasn't good on that. Maybe it was his own. Okay, sorry about that, guys. But I'm back. So here we go. Alright. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I got flipped! Oh, crap! Yes.
No. First, second lap. Second lap.
Come on.
No.
I didn't get it first. Oh, yes!
No.
Come on, come on.
No.
Okay. I called up the head right now. We're on the same lap now.
What you talking about?
Oh, crap. Oh, yes. Alright.
No.
Same lap.
What lap are you on?
This is my final lap. I'm the last one.
4.
And I'm about to win. Yes. Let's go. Okay. So now we're gonna switch it up, and I'm gonna have the Lamborghini, and she's gonna have the Camaro. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. All right. So oh yeah, by the way, if you guys forgot, it's best of 2 out of 3. So yeah, we're gonna switch the drivers just to make sure it's fair. And all right, let's do this. I don't know here.
Let's try these 3 cars. Whatever.
So now the Camaro has to win. Well, no. So pretty much, I'm gonna be driving for. It's not really by the person, it's by the car. So right now the Camaro's ahead. So the Lamborghini has to win this tie. And then we'll do the same cars. If I win this, well, if she wins with the Camaro, then the Camaro
We have to
wins
do.
ultimately. But
And
if
then
I
if
win
you
and we
win,
tie, then we have to do
another
a
lap.
We have to do a race number 3 for the finale. So tie break pretty much. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, there she comes.
Oh! Big wreck. All right, second lap 3. Halfway through the turn. Oh my gosh. Where's it got stuck?
Whoa!
Yeah.
You got this up. Oh, okay. Oh, there you go.
Whoa. Oh crap, I wrecked.
Oh no, it's not working. Hey!
Alright. Gonna have to win this. I'm on my fourth lap now.
It's not working. Okay.
Alright. Now I'm on my final lap.
You're gonna win, and I already know it.
Go. And
You win.
boom. Oh no, I missed. And boom. There we go. So
Okay, now you're driving this one.
Now, no. So now, yeah, so form up. This is the finale race. This is to see which one will take on the next mystery car in the part 3 if you get 3 laps in this video. So yeah, here we go. And you know, I can move the car. I'll set it down and I'll bring it right. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, go. Is the cop car going to be eliminated first? Oh, it's making that. Alright, going in.
No!
Oh, do it.
No, it's not working. This battery's
Okay.
dying. This is not fair.
Alright, I'm about to go into the final lap to be 2 laps ahead. And it looks like the cop car is going to lose. He's going the wrong direction. So when the Lambo will take the gun. This time for part 2. So like I said, 3 likes for part 3. We'll probably do it in like a different area every time. So if you didn't really like this video that much as far as like the camera angle and how it was done, then don't just dislike the video or anything. You can still like it, so maybe we can do a part 3. You might like the next one.
Okay, but still try
So-
to get this video up to 10 likes
Yeah.
for
10 likes. But yeah. So subscribe if you're new. Like the video. If you like it, like the video. If you don't, just like the video. It don't really matter. But if we can get to 3 likes, like I said, we'll do part 3. But yeah, so see you guys in the next one. Peace. So that was 3. Peace.